Hi, fellow traders. This is an update on our bearish scenario of GBP USD. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame and I'll keep this video short. So, recent development of price action on the GBP USD has made many patterns and it looks a little cluttery, but I'll try my best to explain. So, this is the A, B, C, D pattern, and this CD has also made a smaller butterfly inside it. As I always say that the CD can be can be slower. If CD is as fast as the AB, then AB equals CD is most probable pattern, and then this is the target of the D. That is the 100% of this smaller Fibonacci extension. So you can see this SFE100 line. Smaller Fibonacci extension means the smaller A, B, C A equals CD%. The bigger is this one, from this bigger pattern, from this point here, A, B, C, and then the D of this pattern will be right here. The first is 61.8. So the CD can be measured in two ways. One, as per the length of AB, it can be as it can follow the speed of AB as well as CD. CD can be simply 100%, that is equal to AB, or it can be 61.8% of the AB. Otherwise, it can be measured in a classical style as per the BC, and it can be 127.2% of BC, which most often takes a shape of a butterfly, just like you can see this is the inner butterfly inside the CD line. So even if we consider the inner butterfly, then the next target will be this area, 1.30, and this is the nearest target of GBP USD. Now let's talk about the price and let's talk about which targets can be really completed. So if we look at the speed of this from this point, from here to here, this downswing is faster than the previous downswing. So a recent downswing is not as fast as the previous downswing, and recent downswing is even slower than the previous downswing. If you look at this line, this is not a trend line. This is the speed line, and this speed line has been drawn with the same angle as per this movement. So I'm trying to tell you that at least this downward fall should be as fast at least as previous this fall to make this harmony. Otherwise, the more deviated this fall is from the line, the less probability of falling. That's why I'll take the nearest target, and the nearest target is this 127.2, and I'll enter the position. If we see that the price comes down and uh, make make the price something near to this speed line, then the next destination can be this AB equals CD, this 100%, which is 78.6 of the US. US means upswing. So this is the recent upswing from this point to this point, and then it will make Gartley. This ABCD 100 is coinciding with 78.6% of this movement, and so this will be the next destination. This area is 2980, 2985. So let's see if we will see the reaction. Otherwise, we can simply not place any take profit, and we will wait for the price action around this area. If you will see the fast price action, then definitely we will reach here, and then price can go up, go to the upside. So we will be looking at the further price development, and we will be looking if it is increasing speed or not. So that's all about the GBP USD. And now I'm going to the daily time frame to understand the long-term picture. In long-term picture, the pattern which now I'm considering as the Gartley, you see, let me right click first and make this triangle editable. So this Gartley can also be something different and can take shape of butterfly, and then it can be this entire this Gartley will not be a Gartley, it will become a butterfly, and then it will be simply a CD leg of this pattern A, B, C, and D. And since this CD from this C, then C will be considered here, and then we will have to understand the CD extension. So CD can simply be a butterfly, just 127.2% of this one, or AB equals CD can be formed. So this will be something like this. Maybe this will end here. BBF, this 127.2 BBF means big butterfly. This will become big butterfly. The smaller one was yellow color that I had shown you on the this time frame. So now I'm not talking about this butterfly. So the BBF target will be here. So if price comes down with a faster speed and reaches this area and makes very gradual and slow movement or retracement to the upside, there will be a chance to further fall through this area 2799, that is 2800 area. So let's look at the price action. Speed is the main way of determining whether a movement is going to be retracement or is going to be a reversal. So if this entire move is going to be A, B, C, D kind of retracement to this area, then this is going just to be a retracement, A, B, C, D retracement, formation of cartilage, price will return to the upside. Otherwise, if it will be faster, then this will come at least to this area. There will be mild reaction here, and then it will further fall. So we'll be looking at the speed and further formation. Another thing is the trend. If you look at the trend, let me just remove this, hide this here. All right, so now price is already below MACD predictor. Only contradiction to my sell scenario initially, which I had discussed in the video made on January 2, was this bullish candle which has closed above this MACD predictor, and this was contradicting with my bearish scenario. Now price has come below the MACD predictor. Yesterday closed below MACD predictor, so there is no contradiction on bearish scenario. So let's see. Now we have to simply look at the speed and we have to determine the next target. So first I'm going to exit something around this, sorry, this area or this area, wait for further retracement and maybe next sell position. So that's all about this recent GBP USD development. Thank you for watching.